Hello again. It has been a long time since I made a video last time, but now I have some more free time, so I would like to show you what I'm playing around with right now. So I'm spending a lot of time looking into AI, and I think it's really great to see what you can do and how much you can gain knowledge when you play around with it. So for fun, I actually created my own little project here. Uh, in order to have a large language model running on your local system, so without having to spend any money or without sharing any data, you can actually go to this page here, LM Studio, and download it for your operating system here. And then you can just install the application and you have the possibility to create your own. So when you start it up first time, it looks like this, and you will see there is no model here, meaning I have no AI logic into this framework here, or whatever we call it. So we just need to go to discover, and here we can see all the different large language models that we can get from Hugging Face, and you can just click it and then download it. If you don't know which one to download, you can read some more details. For example, here you can see which one you should download. But I already downloaded some models here, and I will just load it. So you can see here, if we take that one, and there's a lot of parameters you can tweak on. I'm not going to cover that. A lot of other people did that. So we are just loading the model, and now the AI is running on this one, and we can just ask it a question here. So this is the normal things you can do with AI, and it's not really, it's cool, but it's not what I want to show you today. So I'm also playing a little bit with PowerShell. So if we look here, I have created just for fun. I created a small script that is running on a PC and collecting performance data, just for fun. And you can start up this script on many systems. You might need to do some tweaking, but it's not actually the script itself that is interesting here. It's just for fun. And this is running right now on my current system. And then I also created another script here. So no, that's not the right one. Let me find it. This one. Yeah. So this is the server part of the script. So you have a client part that collects the performance data, and then you have a server part. The server part is listening to port 8080, and then the client can communicate with the server part here, and it's saving the data in a JSON file or later on perhaps a database, but it's just my own experimenting here. So it's saving all the data here from the different client system connecting. So when I want to look at these data, I can go here and I can go to the reader. So here I have a reader script that is basically just looking into the JSON file and showing me the output of the data. That is pretty basic. But what is cool is that if you go to the AI model again, to the LM Studio, then you can go in here and start it as an OpenAI API server. So if we click start and it's using port 1234, then you can see here we now have a system running running um, an AI we can connect to, and we can actually use that in our PowerShell script. So if we look here, also we can do different settings that we want to be for active for this AI running here. We can do some if we don't want to have um, uh, some things shown in the output, or if we wanted to show something, then we can do different tweaking here. And I'm not going to cover that in detail. You can play around with that yourself. So next step is basically to just note the port we are using, and it's 1234 uh, somewhere. Here it is. So you can see it's using 4. And now we are ready to deal with this system here. So now let's go to our PowerShell again. This one here. So this was the output of the reader, but now I've created an AI reader. So basically, it's using the OpenAI URL to connect to the AI, and now we can ask it to give us feedback on the data it finds. So let's start to run it. And if you look here, then you can see that it's actually talking with our AI system right now. I need to do some tweaking. It gives some strange feedback sometimes, but it's just to show an idea that you can create your own system that collects data or whatever it is, and then you can actually directly in your PowerShell let it ask an AI and get reply, so you can get help, understanding the data you get. So here you can see this is one from the AI system that I got here. Pretty easy and pretty fun to work with. So that's all for now. Let me know if you want me to show something more. I'll be glad to do that. Thank you very much and bye.